It's a really nice day for filming lifts. This is Lucky release a bit of look like we part this spin-off mode. And polo cheese? Oh my freaking god!
Oh my cow!
Oh my freaking god, the ground, the gear, my freaking god!
Yes.
Let's hold of gear, let's hold of gear! Come on! Come on! Listen, and come on, now pull it to corner, we grab the gear! We want to hold of the grounded gear. Of the grounded gear with while filming the display. Let me just show you.
Yo voy al 3.
Eva disfrazada.
3. Oh,
Eva disfrazada de Halloween, qué guapa va.
wow, it's a witch.
Qué carita tiene.
Witch just transforms
Qué guapa
people into
eres.
frogs. And that is not supposed.
¿Qué son caramelitos?
Candies?
Vale, vamos.
Thanks, grounded gear.
Hasta
Thanks,
luego.
grounded gear for candies. When candies are not mine. Now isn't grounded. My apologies. Today is no sunny day. So totally